Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech and finance topics to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling how to transfer money from PayPal to India in 2025. With evolving regulations and new digital tools, sending money internationally has become more straightforward, but it's crucial to stay updated. Whether you're sending remittances to family or handling business payments, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First things first, ensure your PayPal account is fully verified. In 2025, PayPal has tightened security, so you'll need a government-issued ID and possibly a two-factor authentication setup. Head to the PayPal website or app, log in, and verify your details if you haven't already. This step is vital to avoid any delays or holds on your transactions. Next, link your bank account or debit card to PayPal. For transfers to India, you'll want to use a method that supports INR, Indian rupees. PayPal now integrates seamlessly with UPI, Unified Payments Interface, in India, making it faster and cheaper. Once linked, go to the Send in Request section, select Send Money, and choose India as the destination. Now, enter the recipient's details. You'll need their email, phone number, or bank account information linked to UPI. Specify the amount, and PayPal will show you the exchange rate and any fees involved. Expect around 2 to 4% for international transfers in 2025, plus potential taxes from the Indian government. Double-check everything to avoid errors. Hit Send, and you're almost done. PayPal processes transfers quickly, often within minutes to a few hours, depending on the bank's end. Keep an eye on your transaction status in the app. A few quick tips. Always use secure networks to log in. Be aware of the current exchange rates to get the best deal, and remember that for larger amounts, you might need to comply with RBI, Reserve Bank of India, regulations. If you're new to this, start with a small test transfer. There you have it. Transferring money from PayPal to India in 2025 is simple with the right steps. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more guides, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay safe and savvy with your finances. Thanks for watching.